Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. I'm super duper excited to be in front of your screen today. You're welcome to the channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, I beg you, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get my content once it is released, So you guys are going to be among the first people to view my content. Please share this video. This video is educative. My target is struggling traders. And when I mean struggling traders, I believe that traders that have gotten to a particular level in life, they've gotten knowledge, and there's this gap between profitability and unprofitability. So the gap is not just knowledge, it's psychology. So a lot of traders don't know that the gap between unprofitability and profitability is psychology and risk management. So a lot of people shy away from risk management. You might have a very good risk management, but you're not profitable. Yes, because you don't have the tenacity, you don't have the willpower to hold on to your trade. So a lot we like quick thing. We like something very, very fast. If you're seeing you enter a trade and you're seeing like $100, $200, 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, you're done. And you wouldn't want to stay in the market. That's typical. That's a typical human being for you. But when you're doing your analysis, you say, okay, this market is going to get to from point A to point B. That is, the market is going to make like 200, 300, 400 pips to the upside or to the downside. But uh you were not emotionally strong enough to stay on that market. So that's the gap between. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to be dishing out this kind of content. It's going to be like a routine for me. And for now, we are going to analyze GBP USD. We're going to analyze Euro USD. We're going to analyze USD CHF. We're going to analyze Ethereum. We're going to analyze Euro GBP. So I'm going to be very, very brief with this, or I might not be, contain all of them, but I'll make sure that I do my best to do justice to that because I'm super excited. The market is going well, and we are so happy. So I'll start by sharing my screen now. If you can see my screen, you should be able to see my screen. Okay, yes, you can see my screen now. So what I have here, I have Ethereum, Ethereum, and Ethereum is looking juicy. So I did this. Ideally, I went to the daily time frame, and this is what is happening. This is what is happening. Weekly time frame. You see what is happening? Weekly time frame. The market broke this, my bullish trend line. And I remember when I did this analysis, it's on my channel. So I remember this. I remember doing this. And what's happening? Okay, just give me a sec. Aha, yo. So I remember when I did this analysis here, you know, this was 2 months ago, and the market is gone. So ideally, I wanted this market to go bullish. Yeah, that's the ideal. Yeah, this is even it. I wanted the market to go bullish. I was waiting for this market to break this level. Not Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's for Ethereum to break $2,800 per coin. Or get to just break like $2,900 per coin, but it didn't. It didn't get to that level. It got there, then it was just, you saw the candlestick pattern that was happening. It was refusing to break above the level. So I said, okay, since you're refusing to break above the level, there's something you're telling me that I'm not looking at. So I left the market. So I wasn't part of all this. I wasn't part of all this. So I left the market. I left this guy for some months. I didn't trade this guy for some months. So the market was just there, and it was just there. I didn't stress myself about it. So I told myself that, okay, since you're here, I drew this trend line. I thought, okay, I want you to do something. Either you break this level to the upside or you come here and break this level. So when I saw the market here, so okay, when I saw the market on this support level, I said, okay, what are you doing? You know, so I waited for the break of this trend line. I waited for the break of this support zone turned resistant. So I say, okay, ideally I was just looking at the market because I wasn't seeing any opportunities. So the market came back up. I said, oh wow, I was now noticing the big rejection, and the daily time frame is saying giving us weak rejection, you know, candlestick pattern, big rejection. So then I scaled down to the 4 hour time frame to get a better view of what is happening. So I saw inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, this is the head, this is another shoulder. So I want this guy to really break this guy. However, I'm bearish on this guy, this bad boy here. So I'm bearish on this guy. Uh, sorry for the noise. So I'm bearish. I'm bearish. No, not so much this thing. So if this guy breaks this level here, I'm going to be entering more positions here. Let me check my Telegram channel. Thank you, Lord. So yes, let's see. Okay. So you guys can see my entries, right? Ethereum, yeah. This is my entry. So I want the market to go down, bro. I don't care, man. I just want the market to go down. So yes, exactly. This is what I'm looking at. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very, very simple. Simple, straightforward trade. Yeah. So this is what is happening. This is where I'm at the moment. I think that's all for Ethereum. So I'll go straight to Euro USD. How many of you remember this? I did this analysis on my Telegram channel. So we need proof. So this is the proof. We need proof. So when I'm saying I did this on my Telegram channel, I know a lot of people are like, yeah, that's how the talk. So this is my proof. Yeah, this is my proof. Before I come to yes, this is what we have on my screen. This is Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, this is Euro USD. When I was doing my analysis, I predicted this move bad boy to the upside, and I didn't just predict it, I took the trade too. So these were my entries. These were my entries. Straightforward. I didn't have to do much. For USD, okay, I'm going to talk about USD CHF later. So for now, in my video, yeah, I said that this was the overall profit target for me. However, I still see that I still feel that Euro USD is going to still go up bullish long term. You know, this guy is going to go up bullish long term. Why 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 is Euro USD going bullish long term? So there's an asset called DXY. DXY is dollar index. It is called the dollar index. So my perspective of the market is being formed by the DXY. You know, I have a mentor that always say in his videos, you know, by the way I'm talking, by my charts, by this my chart, you know, if you know, you know, is not someone that is far-fetched. Is methodology is something that is very, very realistic. You know, so I tailored my pattern to form my own, you know, in as much as we are basically doing the same thing, but the different what I'm saying in the market might not be what is saying in the market. So sometimes we have different opinions, which is okay. You know, so the main thing about trading is, are you making money? I'm not, don't do copy and paste. So don't do this, don't enter this trade because I said it's going to sell or I said it's going to buy. You know, I expect you to do your due diligence, check out the market. However, in a case where you don't know anything about the market, so I'm working on a video a beginner series. Yeah, a beginner video series, teaching you guys to brush you guys up with speed, I think that would be exclusive because I don't want to be wasting my time. But I will do beginner video for like basic beginner video. But if you want to scale your trading journey, if you want to scale your trading career, it's going to be exclusive because you have to pay for my time. You understand? So please take out this free content. All this content are free. I'm just showing you guys what I'm thinking, what is happening in the market, how to make money. Remember, if you're financially um handicap, this video is for you. So what do you do when you're a trader and you've been on this trade or you come across my channel? What do you do? How does this benefit you? This video benefits you because one, you have a focus in the market. I've been shouting Euro USD bullish since last week. I've been saying BTC. If you watch my video, my previous video, I said BTC is bearish. No, like I was saying that okay, BTC is going to be bearish, but if you listen to the video, you understand that I was a bit skeptical about Bitcoin. Excuse me. So I was a bit skeptical about Bitcoin. So if you check Bitcoin now, Bitcoin is just there. It came down to downside and went back up again. So Bitcoin is just there. You understand? So when I said I was skeptical, but Euro USD, I knew that Euro USD was going to buy. I knew easy peasy. I knew Euro USD was going to buy. Then I knew Euro GBP was going to buy. USDCHF, I knew it was going to sell. So I think if you're here and you're a trader, you check what I'm doing, you just merge it with your own. If I'm saying sell, just wait. If you see bullish momentum, just calm down. Once the market is ready for sell, you enter. In Igbo, it's called Pia. Pia that lot size. Don't be greedy, please. Don't be greedy. Just press that lot size, and allow your trade to run, and don't be greedy. Don't be ferocious about it. The market is here. The market has been I can't tell you my age, but I'm still a young man, a young chap, and not that young, but I'm a young chap. And the market has been before me, has been before my forefathers. Commodities like oil. If you check the time, you see 18 or something. So this guy, the market is not going anywhere. And with time, market evolves, technological advancements, the explosive, revolutionary explosion of the internet makes all these things very easy. You understand? So we need to have the cognitive process to be able to analyze and keep learning, so you keep learning. Yes, you keep learning. So this is for Euro USD, GBP, GBP USD. Should I use GBP? Yes, I should do GBP USD. So I did. I remember that I didn't do GBP USD on my previous video. I was supposed to do it, but the video was now lengthy, and I didn't want it to be lengthy. And so I'm going to quickly show you this on my Telegram channel. Easy peasy, easy peasy. So sorry, let's do USDCHF instead of this, so that because this analysis is still like recent. It's still very, very recent. So let's do USDCHF. So I could use this. So this is USDCHF. USDCHF. I predicted this fall to the downside. Check my Telegram channel. See, this fall here. So this fall here is this fall here. This fall here. So I predicted this from this movement from this place. That's last month, last month. I predicted this fall last month. And this is 20, this thing like this now, the market is now, it is 1 month already to the fall. Imagine for like 1 month, your network has just been increasing, without doing much. That's the beauty of swing trading. That's why I love swing trading. No, stress lessly, bro. I don't want to stress myself. And guess what? I can do other things. Like I could take on different tasks. For the period of a month, what am I doing in the market? Nothing. I was just analyzing for multiple entries. I wasn't doing anything, just looking at opportunities, allowing my markets to run. That was what I was doing in the market. I was in front of my screen looking at, now. I just did my analysis, please, and I go do other things. I have other things I'm doing, you know, other things I'm doing, trust me. So this is for USDCHF and my position, see it, you see it. So I didn't even enter here because I missed my entry. I did the analysis. I think I was away for like how many hours? Let's say like 4 5 hours. 1 2 3. I was away for 4 hours. So this I was looking at the market when the market was here. I said, okay, that's good. When I saw this candlestick pattern, that was good. So I think for 4 hours I wasn't looking at my chart. So when I checked the market was already here. I was like, hey, I've missed it. Oh. I've missed it, but it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, but this one really paid me. It paid me, but it is fine. Other markets are there. Other markets are there. See, I'm now. I missed my first entry. Oh, relax, there'll be multiple entries. So you see, I missed it. So this was actually supposed to be my entry. This green bar here, I just drew my green bar, say, okay, I will place it here. I think what I didn't do. Next time I like to use orders, I like using orders. But the issue about orders sometimes is the market will just come to that order and kiss it and go back up. So I like using orders, and at the same time, I don't like using orders. So that is basically what happens. Yeah, market might just come, give you a weak rejection, and go back up. So really, yeah. So that's just it. And what I need to do, I think this is all for this guy. Um, so let me go. Please subscribe to my channel. So let me go to Gbpusd. Uh, mm, 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 mm. So I wanted this market to break this level. I really wanted the market to break this level. Initially, I wanted this guy. Okay, well, once I saw this double top here, remember what I talked to you guys about double top? When I saw this double top to here, I wanted the market to just come back to this level so that I could, you know, go bullish full time, because this level is a major level, and my major level I use blue zone on my major level. The minor levels are these other ones. They don't hold much information. However, the likeliness of market reacting on major levels are like 50%, while the likeliness of market reacting on major level are like 100%. The market must shall react. It must react. It can't just, is it that it breaks it up, either you break it up, you come back down to retest it, or you break it down, you go back up to retest it. So however the case, the market must must react. But major level, the market could just blew it as if it wasn't even existing. So that's for me. And I wanted the guy to come here, but he didn't come here. However, the guy is here now. So what I want the market to do is to come back to this level at 1.63178, to come back here, then do some little shenanigans, and push to the upside. So my projection for GBP is 1.4300. So I want this market to get to 1.4300. So from here, I'm predicting from here, let's say from here to here, it's like 600 and okay, let me do here. 657 pips. That's okay. That's good. It's okay. It's okay. It's a nice pips to catch. So I'm not doing anything basically. I'm just here waiting for this market to do what it needs to do, and bam, I'll enter into the upside. Um, I've done this one, I've done Euro USD. Then yes, not this guy. This guy that broke our hearts. I wanted this guy to come down to this place, but he broke our hearts. So he took me out on break even, but it's fine. Um, yes. So I've been on this guy since for the longest. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Very simple and straightforward. GBP USD is going to the upside. If you check my previous video, I did this analysis and I said that this guy is going to make 260 pips to the upside. The first round has gone, and this is the second round of the bullish momentum. From next week, we're going to be seeing bullish momentum. I want this guy to do bullish momentum. I want it to go bullish, and I think I'm on this trade again. I've entered the market. Let me check my Telegram channel. Daily 2K. I didn't I? No, it's not this. I've not screenshotted it though. So this is the current. I want to show you guys charts, not profits. Exactly. So this is the chart, bro. Bro, this guy, I'm going to wipe this guy like this. So please, I do not encourage you to open positions like this. I'm trading a big account. So please don't try this. Stick to your policy. This is my pattern of trade. I don't like showing people this chart because um they don't understand it. There's something I'm saying that is making me to do all these things. I don't just do it blindly. There's something I'm saying. So you might not be saying that thing. This is what you need. Enter one here, go. Don't enter multiple positions like me. Why? Because there's something I'm saying that you're not saying. Everybody, we are different. The way we are wired is different. So please, carefully, don't, you can, if you want to do the way I'm doing, it's going to be exclusive because that's my pattern. It's exclusive. It's not something that you can easily see online, but analysis mode of entry, what to see, yes, you can see that on enter. But entry pattern is very, very crucial. Entry pattern is very, very crucial. Very, very crucial. So I think I've done my due diligence. I've done Euro USD. I've done GBP USD. I'm trying to look at my notes. I've done. Yeah, I think I've done basically what I need to do. So, guys, please, thank you for staying to this end of the video. Uh, I'm going to stop my sharing now. All right. Yes. Thank you very much for staying tuned the end of this video. I know that you've learned one or two things here. Use this knowledge you have now. Use it, impact yourself, equip yourself for the next week, for the next month. Next week is like next week, the month is ending on Monday, I think. Yes, it's ending on Monday. So guys, make sure, make sure, make sure you utilize this content so that you can make much more in the coming week. Yeah. Take it easy. I love you guys. Thank you for the love. Please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, click on the description link. The link to my Telegram is there. If you want to join, feel free to join. Follow me on Twitter. Sorry, follow me on X. Follow me on X. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. All the handles will be there on the description link. Thank you very much. I love you guys. I love you guys. Do enjoy your weekend and have a nice day. Bye. Prepare for the markets. Prepare for the markets.